As the sun begins its ascent over the arid expanse of the Egyptian desert, the Great Pyramids of Giza rise majestically against the horizon, casting long, shifting shadows over the golden sands. Aerial shots reveal the sheer enormity of these ancient structures, their towering peaks piercing the sky, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization long past. The camera glides smoothly over the Great Pyramid, capturing its roughly 2.3 million limestone blocks. Each stone, some weighing as much as 50 tons, reveals the colossal effort required to piece together this wonder of the ancient world. Close-ups of the pyramid's surface highlight the precision with which these stones were cut and placed, a feat accomplished over 4 millennia ago without the use of modern machinery. Informative text overlays emerge gracefully on the screen, providing insights into the construction techniques employed by the ancient Egyptians. It explains how laborers transported massive stones from distant quarries using an intricate system of sledges and ramps, a collaboration of human strength and architectural brilliance. The rhythmic heartbeat of traditional Egyptian music swells in the background, imbuing the visuals with a sense of timeless wonder. Panoramic shots encompass the surrounding desert, revealing the vast expanse that these pyramids preside over. The camera then shifts to the Sphinx, its enigmatic gaze forever fixed on the horizon, guarding the secrets of these monumental graves. The smooth transitions between shots maintain the viewer's immersion, each scene a new discovery, each angle a fresh perspective of the pyramid's grandeur. As the video progresses, detailed overlays provide historical context, delving into the purpose of these pyramids as tombs for pharaohs, their alignment with celestial bodies, and the spiritual beliefs that fueled their construction. The final scenes capture the pyramids bathed in the glow of the setting sun, their silhouettes etched against the amber-hued sky. The video fades to black with a lingering note of the music, leaving the viewer with a profound sense of awe and a deeper appreciation for one of humanity's most enduring legacies.